This a banger.
Who da dey na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Hey, who da dey na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Who da dey na the bar? Money man don't.
What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the open canal. So, first of all, disclaimer: I'm not a tech girl. I'm not really. I don't know much about technology and electronic and stuff like that. I also have to watch tutorials on YouTube before I buy something or before ever I reset or set up anything. So this is just a pure unboxing. This is the new MacBook. I think the 1M or something. I don't know. I'll put the name for you guys in the description box. So I have picked this up now, I think for two or 3 weeks now, but I haven't really got the chance to open it. I have been so busy. Like you guys don't know, when I'm busy with something and that thing is not yet finished, any other thing else does not really matter to me. That's just how I am. I was busy trying to decorate this room, so I got this one whilst I was busy trying to decorate this room. But because of the room was not finished yet, I was so frustrated with everything that the bed is not coming. I didn't even have time to do other things. I've picked this up now for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and I really got the chance to open it. And I also pick up the mouse, this one as well. So I just wanted to comment. Now finally the bedroom is done. The bed is here. I'm sitting on the bed. The bed is here. Everything is kind of pretty done, you know. Everything kind of pretty done. So I feel like, you know what, it's time for me to start using this, for me to just like open it and just see what is in here. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and this was at the back. So now let's open it. This is like my first. I used to have an iPhone before, but then they break, and repairing it was so expensive. So reason why I'm not really an iPhone kind of person. I prefer Android, but I wanted to buy a new laptop, and my son, who is into all those technology kind of things, he drives me crazy with his technology and stuff. So he was like, yeah, you better pick up the new MacBook that just came out and blah blah blah. And this thing was expensive, you know. So I thought, okay, you know what, let's give it a try. Let's pick it up, you know. And if it's something that I'm not really into, at least it's gonna be a nice gift for him if it's not something that I'm really into. But he was like, it's good, and I needed something because I wanted to buy a laptop, and I needed something different, and he was the one who recommended this to me. So okay, and I said, okay, let me pick it up. So let's just you guys, I tell you guys, I'm not really a tech girl. So you get this. I think I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah, it's very strong. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep the box. So this is the, wow, my first MacBook. It feels so weird. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like, because then I have to wait, because I don't know how to install, how to fix everything, like go into the system. So I have to wait to get help. So this is the charger, what it comes with, and what is in here. Oh yeah, this is their all the information I think you need, reading how to set it, and you get this Apple sticker. You get 2 menu and everything, just how to set up the computer, how to how to set it up. That one I just have to wait, yeah, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna wait for help. Let's just wait for help, because I don't want to touch anything and then end up messing things up and then end up being frustrated. So I'm just gonna put this aside. And yo, this is a huge charger, man. This is huge. Okay, and then you get a charger. What else do you get? I think that's it. That's it. This is just a container. Okay, you get a book, a big ass charger. I don't want to cuss in this video, but this is big, man. This is huge. This is really huge, and you just connect it right there, and yeah. So this is the Mac. This is the. Can I open this one? Wow. Wow. Okay. Ooh. I've saw a lot of videos. People say when it comes to editing videos, this is super fast. When it comes to like editing and uploading videos, it's very fast because it's the new system. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I am so excited. Let's just put it back because I don't want to mess things up. Don't want to mess things. Let's just put it back, yeah? Let's just put it back. Let's open this one, yeah? Because I want to see how this one looks like. Okay, I need something to open this one. Okay. So I don't know really about tech and everything. You guys are just going to open. We're just going to do pure unboxing. If you guys want to know anything about how does it work, how does this and this and this and work, all those tech thing, I would advise you all to go on YouTube and watch those tech video, because trust me, that's the same thing I do. Okay. Why did they build this thing like this? I don't even have a nail to hold this. Okay. Wow. This is cool, man. This is white. Okay, how does it work? Because okay, I have to get used to all this, yeah, because I'm used to this kind of mice. This one like tick, 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 tick. But then now I'm upgrading to this one. Oh, you can like, oh yeah, when you open it, when you have to open it and then you can, yeah. Oh yeah, when you close it, it doesn't move. Okay. And what do you get in here? Oh yeah, the same. Oh, you also got a charger. Okay, that's cool. You also get a charger. And where do you charge? Where does the charger enter? Oh yeah, here. Yeah, like this. So you're going to charge it like this. Wow. Okay. It's just too much technology for me, man. I don't have time for all of this. This is the manual, everything, guaranteeing and quarantine, that's how you call it. All the informations on how does it work. If I'm going to if I'm going to reset this myself, it's going to take me forever. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like, and I'm just going to wait. Okay, I'm just going to wait for someone to reset everything and make everything looks nicer and easier for me to use, yeah, because I feel like that's the best. That is the best advice I could give myself. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is it. Let's just put this back. Yeah, this charger. These ones are just going back, and I could just put this back into the wardrobe. But yeah, my first MacBook. This is so sleek, man. It's so beautiful. It looks really beautiful, honestly speaking. Do you guys know how much this thing cost? This thing cost like I don't even want to call the price, because I feel like if any of you guys who are into Apple thing, you guys know this is pretty expensive. It's pretty expensive. Okay. Oh yeah, this cream. Let's just wait here before I come and mess things up. This is so cool. It's so clean. It's so sleek. Yo, this is just going to be for me. I'm not going to give my son to even ever. He's not going to even use this one, because I know he will start coming. Can I borrow your can I borrow your laptop? Can I borrow your laptop? And before you know, it's going to be both of us sharing it together. So I'm just going to give him my old one. and I'm going to take over this one when after it has reset and transfer all my editing software. I hope I can transfer my editing software from that laptop to this one, or I need to buy another editing software here, even though I mostly edit with my phone. But I have days that I like to edit, I make videos with camera, and I like to edit on the laptop, especially now that my room is ready, my bed is here. I find it very comfortable to just sit down on the bed and edit. So yeah, this is it, guys. So yeah, I'm super excited. I am really excited. So yeah, I don't know, this is just opening it and just showing you guys what is inside the box, nothing else. I'm not gonna say about how many kilo or how many gram, megabytes, or any kind of things. I do not know. I don't have any idea, but I think this one is the 18. You can also add an SD card, so maybe I'm also going to purchase an SD card. Don't even know how these things work. Maybe I'm going to, I don't know. I don't really know, honestly speaking. I have to see how these things go. I have to really see how it works. But anyway, this is what it is. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye. Do.